Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to edit session timeout in Google Analytics Explorer, and we will see what is session timeout and where to find it and why people increase or decrease session timeout. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account and then click on admin and then click on streams, click on here and then go to configure text settings, and now you can see some options. Click on show more, and here adjust session timeout, you can click here. So this is how you can find session timeout option. So by default it's 30 minutes, you can increase it. Why people do this, why people increase it? Some website has embedded videos, long embedded videos, suppose 45-minute embedded videos, and some people has long book and lengthy content, long form. So there are so many reasons they increase this time. So one of the reason, if you have, then you can increase session timeout in your case. But now the question is, what is session timeout? Actually, session timeout means if user is inactive, I mean not performing any action, not visiting another page, not clicking anywhere, or no event occurring. In that case, user will be inactive, and if user inactive for the 30 minutes, the session will expire. So you can see sessions report in many reports. So sessions matrix means that user comes on your page and they close the website, or the session is expired. So this is how people, you can understand that how many people, visitors are coming on your website. So most of the people use your website half an hour. Within a half an hour they might leave. If you think that they will use your website more than 30 minutes, you can increase the size. So here you can, suppose I want to use 1 hour, then I have to use it 0. If you want to make it 45 minutes, you can use it, use 45. So and then you can save it. So this is how you can adjust your session timeout. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Have a